Do you know what actually keeps workers safe around powerful machines? If you supervise a team, lockout, tagout might be the most critical procedure you enforce. Here's what every supervisor must know. Lockout, tagout, or LOTO is a vital safety step in manufacturing in oil and gas. It's a process that makes sure machines are fully shut down, isolated from energy, and can't be restarted until work is finished. Why does this matter? Because equipment can still hold dangerous energy even when it looks off. Electrical, mechanical, hydraulic, or thermal energy can release without warning. That's how accidents happen. LOTO protects your team from these hidden risks. Here's how it works. First, notify everyone who might be affected. Then, shut down the equipment. Isolate the energy sources like turning off power at the breaker or closing valves. Next, lock the controls and place a warning tag with your name on it. The last, most critical step, verify. Make sure all energy is gone before anyone works. Missing even one step can have deadly consequences. As a supervisor, you set the tone. Enforce every part of LOTO every single time. Don't cut corners. Lockout tagout isn't just about following rules, it's about sending everyone home safe at the end of every shift. Take it seriously. Lead by example, because the safest workplace is the one where no one gets hurt.